Dr. Singna Anaba Singh Tidoktuna, lying Matam Oide Haina, 𝗗𝗲𝗓 Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings ki Director Professor 𝗟𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓 Debena Fongdokre, Wapamasi Ngasi Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓 ki Jubilee Hall da Pangtokiba Taramari Suba Annual Medical Society Conference, 𝗵𝗡𝗏 2024 gi tharongka mari leinena phongdokibani tharamaduda 𝗓𝗓𝗓 ki medical superintendent professor N Sanjeev 𝗓𝗓𝗓 din academic professor 𝗏𝗏𝗓 𝗏𝗏𝗓 manipur university ki registrar professor 𝗏𝗏𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗵𝗡𝗏 ki organizing chairman professor Y Govindarajas amadi 𝗵𝗡𝗏 ki organizing secretary Dr. Gyansu Saruyaki Professor 𝗟𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓 Debena makha taraduna matam amadadi Dr. Masing yamna leiramdaba maramna anaba singna Dr. Singh koithi thinarami adubu haujikti Dr. Masing yamna leibana Dr. Singna anaba sing thidoktuna layengba mathau tarakle Dr. Singna anaba singbu ningthina loinaduna makhoigi laina layong sing amadi makhoina pamliba adu khangdoktuna layenglabadi Dr. Singna thengnariba khudongchadaba kaya adu kokpangamgani matam amada leiramba ana layengbagi thawong adudagi haujik chathariba layeng asina yamna khumang chausinba ngamle kumja lising ani ga tarateta hospital haudokibaga loinana makhal makha kayagi khulai puthokhtuna luraba layong kaya khangdoktuna layengba ngamle Dr. Singna lauriba thaudang asi kathokpa amaga loinana miyamgi thaudang lawbudi haina The
challenges, yes, in this theme, challenges to become a modern type of healthcare system. Now, Government of India has made 𝗟𝗓𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗓𝗏 Yojana. It is nothing but this is National Health Protective Mechanism or program. Here, this is particularly for this BPL, poor people, poor family. So these are also whether it is reaching or not, we have to discuss. Then e-hospitals. So in this e-hospitals program, National Informatics Center that is established in 2017 NIC for digitalization of this healthcare system for processing as well as for assessment. So these are also different issues or challenges what the Government of India is taking up.